So by now you know Facebook probably doesn't care too much about your privacy. So how are you going to keep all your personal data safe? Well, if you're not ready to quit Facebook just yet, we've got a solution that'll help keep Mr. Zuckerberg off your back. Ever notice these? Social media buttons are spread all over the internet. Now, ostensibly, what these are there to do is to allow you to like stuff when you're outside the social site. That's cool. The problem is, what they're really doing is collecting information about you, and like a little birdie, bringing that information back home. And if that weren't creepy enough, it works even when you're logged off of the social site. The BBC estimates the number of these buttons to be in the hundreds of millions. But don't worry, we got you covered. Adblock Plus can block these social media buttons. Just go to the link in the description and hit that. Now, of course, you're going to have Adblock Plus installed if you want to take advantage of this. If you haven't installed Adblock Plus yet, go to adblockplus.org. Thanks everybody, and I'll catch you next time.